Okay, this is our first adventure with Ben and Jessie. Jessie's got her new boat, and they're doing bridge construction here. So we wanted to go through the new bridge while they're building it, seeing as nobody can go over. Go, Jessie, go! Go, go, go! I'm bumping into these characters. Paddle, paddle, paddle. There we go. So they got a big smashing crane thing. I just want to see the looks on these workers' faces when we go through here. Alright, we made it. There goes Jessie J. Alright, I better pay attention and paddle before I get tipped over.